Welcome to Documo's Admin and Owner portal, where you can manage your users and departments, as well as send and receive your own faxes. Let's get started. First, you'll land on the Send Fax page. Here, you'll see My Fax Numbers, which shows the numbers assigned to you. Faxes sent to these numbers will appear in your fax history. Next is the File Converter, which allows you to convert attachments to PDF or TIFF. Below that is Fax Blast, a feature that lets you send a fax to up to 1,000 recipients at a time. This feature is free, but you'll need to contact our customer support to have it enabled. When sending a fax, you can manually enter a number or choose a contact. You can add up to 10 recipients. You can also add email addresses for non-Documo users, and they'll receive an email notification when they get a fax. This field is optional. Next, choose a cover page. Some fields will only populate if your cover page includes the corresponding tokens. Then, add tags, attach your files, and choose whether to send immediately or schedule for a later date and time. Once your fax is sent, you can click OK to stay on the Send Fax page, or check Status to view it in your fax history. In your fax history, you'll see the fax you just sent transmitting. By default, you'll only see faxes sent from your user or received to your assigned numbers. However, as an admin or owner, you can filter to view all faxes on your account. Clicking the three dots next to a fax gives you several options. If you have our Signature and Workspaces tools, you can sign your fax or send it directly to a workspace. Deleting faxes can only be done one at a time to prevent accidental bulk deletions, since this action cannot be undone. Faxes stay in history for 12 months by default, but that can be adjusted in Account Fax Settings. You can archive faxes in bulk. Once archived, attachments can't be viewed unless restored. After 13 months, faxes move to cold storage, where only metadata remains available there, not attachments. In the Cover Pages section, you'll find system cover pages you can duplicate and edit, or create your own from scratch with your logo. Account cover pages are shared across your organization, while My Cover Pages are specific to your user. You can also share any account cover page with your departments if your plan allows for departments by clicking the three dots, then Share with Subaccounts. Next, let's head to the Numbers page, where you can manage numbers for your account and all departments. Selecting a checkbox lets you assign numbers to departments or users, or release them. The Settings wheel gives you additional configuration options. To provision new numbers, click Provision. You can search by region, area code, or purchase toll-free numbers. To find a number with a specific area code, select Prefix, enter the area code, and click Search. Choose the numbers you want, then click Order Numbers. They'll appear in your numbers list, ready to assign to departments and users. If you or your departments want to port numbers from another provider, click New Port Request, enter the number, and click Check to see if it's portable. Then continue, fill out your information, and submit your port request. You can also block numbers to stop spam faxes. Just click Add, enter the number, and choose whether to block it for your entire account or a specific number. Fax machine connectors are hardware devices that allow you to use a physical fax machine with our service. All faxes sent or received through connected machines will appear in the portal's fax history. Clicking the Settings wheel lets you configure the device. You can assign it to departments, assign a number and caller ID, and activate it. Once active, the monthly recurring cost begins. You can easily order connectors by going to Orders, clicking New Order, then filling out the required fields. Now let's go to the Departments section, where you can create and manage your departments if your plan allows for it. To create a new one, click Create, give it a name, and assign product access. To manage existing departments, click the three dots and choose where you'd like to go. Click Manage to view all users, numbers, and connectors tied to a department. You'll see a breadcrumb trail at the top to help navigate between pages. In the Users page, you can manage users on your account or departments and create new ones. Click New User and fill out the fields manually, or invite user to send an email invitation so they can complete setup themselves. To manage a specific user, click the three dots and choose what to configure. You can also sign in as that user to make changes on their behalf. Under Reports, you can run detailed billing and usage reports, perfect for checking on fax usage, number of users, or assigned numbers. The Account Reports section is for your own account, while Expanded Reporting is for departments. You can even set up recurring reports to automatically send updates at your preferred frequency. The Limits section allows you to control usage for your direct account or departments. Click Create Limit, give it a name, enter the limits you want, such as users, numbers, or fax usage, and click Save. Once created, you can assign those limits to specific departments. The Events page lets you review activity within your account or departments. For example, if you want to see who deleted a fax, search the faxes category and the type Delete. Any users who perform that action will be listed below. Next, let's look at branding, where you make the portal your own if your plan allows for it. Here you can upload icons and logos, set custom domains for sign-in and notifications, configure email to fax domains, and adjust your brand colors for both light and dark mode. Lastly, let's take a look at the billing page. Only owners will be able to see current subscription and invoices, but admins are able to edit the billing contact page. On the main tab, you'll see any active subscriptions including add-ons. You can upgrade your subscription and add-ons, add a new payment method, and on the Invoices tab, you can download any invoices as well as pay for past due invoices. And that's a Documo portal from an admin or owner's perspective. From managing departments and users to sending faxes, configuring branding, and running reports, everything you need to power your business is right here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our help docs for more detailed guides on each feature.